I was immediately drawn to the tactile and seemingly stable presence in the work of Ken Barnes when I first saw it at Shift Gallery in 2018. In this particular work, I admired the way that a trace of the surface was left in place, and the horizontal slices and openings were both delicate and created tension at the same time. I joined Shift Gallery in 2019. When I saw our work together in the group show that year, I was sure that I wanted to explore the relationships in our work further. You can see Ken's canoe in the corner with my Kyoto, Osaka, Kobe just to the left of it. We were looking forward to having our first show together in 2020, which was postponed due to the pandemic. In May of 2020, we were invited to submit a presentation for Civilizations by the Hour program. It was also canceled, and rightly so, due to the horrific events that created a tidal wave in the Black Lives Matter movement. We'd like to share that presentation with you here. The stone sculptures of Ken Barnes and the painted and collaged works of Anne-Marie Niquette focus on the properties of two of the Earth's elemental materials. Although we both have a strong connection to and reverence for one particular element in the natural environment, we have responded in very different ways. Ken works directly with his chosen material, the stone itself, by cutting, shaping, and polishing to bring out the unique natural beauty of each stone. I focus on the seemingly slow but certain threat of sea level rise as it affects the people living in the world's largest coastal cities. Shanghai in China, for example, has a population of 38.7 million people. Stone can seem stable and static, but it can also be moved by torrents of water. The destructive power of water is more present every day with climate change, as we see torrential rains and hurricanes pounding the land, flooding homes, agriculture, rivers, dams, and deltas. This work by Ken reveals that in geologic time, stone is more dynamic than it seems, changing due to erosion, sedimentation, pressure, and temperature. I made this work entitled Kyoto, Osaka, Kobe for the 19.3 million people who were living in that metropolitan area in the most current census in 2015. To give you an idea of that number, only 4 of the United States have higher population numbers: California, Texas, Florida, and New York. This work of Ken's, entitled Canoe, reveals the hidden beauty and the processes of its creation and is that impossible object, the stone boat. While every work in my ongoing series entitled Sea Change is an elegy for the individuals and families in coastal cities who will soon be forced to leave their homes, becoming part of the greatest migration of the human species.